magpie. 2 magpies. Yeah, it's going to be a good day. Woohoo! Oh, 2 magpies make me happy. Morning guys, it's not even morning this afternoon. Oh, there's the AA. AA have broken down. No, they haven't. The AA are at a breakdown. How are we doing? Right, I have not stopped today. RAC man. Right, I've got to tell you some stuff. Well, I wasn't going to film this. I've just finished the maintenance day video that you should have already watched by now, where I did loads of little jobs on everything. I just sat that, well, I've done 5 jobs today with Charlie, non-stop. It's just gone 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, and I am absolutely, like, I've been out all morning, 5 jobs, all with Charlie. He's been faultless, brilliant. He's been absolutely brilliant. My new rear view camera, that's working a treat. All my lights and my flashy beacons are working. Anyway, I sat down with Malcolm, I was having a little cuddle with him, and some guy has phoned me and he said, mate, I've come off my motorbike, the police are here, and they want to charge me like 400 or 500 quid or whatever to recover his little motorbike. It's a little Chinese like Lex Moto thing, you know them things? And he was like, can you do it? Well, I normally would use my van, Penny, my van, but in the back of my van currently is a set of Recaro seats for Reggie, an air compressor and all my air tools. But what is not in the back of my van is the nose chock and the ramp to be able to put a motorbike in the back. So I can't use my van. And he was like, mate, please, I'm desperate. I said to him, look, I have got my truck. I've never put a motorbike on the back of it before, but that's my only other option. I have got the spec, obviously, but I don't have a bike bar for it. I don't really like them, if I'm honest. I don't think they're very good. I've never put a motorbike on the back of Ronnie, but I know how to strap a motorbike because I've been racing them for years and moving them for years in vans. So you pull the front, pull the rear, strap over the top, but I don't have a nose chock. I have my GoPro in Charlie, but I've only got 1 battery, so we've got to do this whole video on 1 battery. See what happens. But you're coming along, strap yourselves in, get yourselves a brew. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed already, click that subscribe button. We'll go and help this guy out. That's what we do. We help people out. We put the fun back into people breaking down or crashing their motorbikes, which is never fun. But he was talking to me, and that's a good sign, isn't it? I could hear the police in the background, and he was like, please get here as quick as you can. He's obviously a young lad. We will get him rescued. I'd like to go to the pub this afternoon, but the way the recovery jobs are coming in, don't think it's going to happen. Right guys, I'll see you when we're on scene. Okay, I think he's on this, on one of these bends up here. So I'll keep an eye out for him. Make sure we don't run him over, because that would be a bad day. Right, so I think he's on this bend. Hello.
Hey mate,
I'm literally just coming around the corner, mate.
Oh, perfect.
Alright, see you. There you go. See you in a sec. Put my eye-vis on, otherwise I'll get in trouble by Mr. Policeman. Oh, he looks about 4 years old. we're going to get it on, but we'll get it on somehow. I'm sweating. There you go. He's on, all secured, not moving anywhere, absolutely rock solid. I'm on some private country lane at the minute, by the way, in case you're like, why are you touching the camera? Police are gone, we've cleared the road, the guy's gone to Oliver's. Bless him, I don't know if you could hear it on the camera, probably not because I was playing crazy cool music. You okay? I'm just going to turn around here. But basically, he's just on his way back from having it serviced. That's pretty sad, that, isn't it? So he's just had a full service done on it. So yeah, I've never done a motorbike before on Ronnie, on the big Ron dog, but it worked. I know a lot of people will be going, why didn't you just push it up? Well, I've got that little lip, and I know motorbikes, it also has got a flat tyre on the front. I know motorcycles, and if the weight starts going in the wrong direction, do you know what? With the winch, it's just controlled, it's just under control. So I was like, right, let's whack the wedge around it, the axle strap, just pull it on. That is rock solid. That is not going anywhere, pal. Ken, there's a bit of Scottish for you, pal. Ken, oh, get there, pal. So, how you been anyway? You been busy? I don't know what he did. This is a straight bit of road. I feel sorry for him. It's just obviously a bit of an inexperienced rider, isn't it? But he said he pulled over to let a van past, and as he pulled over, like moved to the side to let the van past, he went off the road. Fair enough. He'll never do that again, will he? We're all strapped on, we're all nice and safe. Please don't give me a hard time about the way I've recovered this. Look, it's got a strap over the top, a strap from the front, a strap from the back. It ain't going nowhere, and we're going about 4 miles down the road, very slowly, but it's rock solid. It ain't going nowhere. I was going to talk to you about bad drivers. Like, yesterday I went to visit my gran and my mum, saw my mum as well. Like, hi mum. My gran doesn't watch the channel, but my mum does. And they're bad, the drivers, like, what's happening to the motorways? Like, why can't people drive on motorways anymore? Everyone's like, when did that become the norm, to sit in the middle lane, in the right hand lane? I just don't get it. Anyway, I just had a nice little drive. Me and Malcolm came with me. He slept the whole way, little bad boy. Gonna get him back on the channel a little bit more from now on. You're gonna see a lot more of him. It's about time we got him back on the channel, isn't it? Right, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get us to Oliver's Motorcycles, where we're gonna drop this off, and I will speak to you when we're there. I've got to save this battery, guys. We're on 32% now, just loading that up. So, right, I'll see you when we get there. We'll get it offloaded, and then we'll call it a day.
Done a good job though, lads. But the fork seals haven't blown. That sounds like a good thing.
All these people can stare. I don't care about that. This is my pity party. I'm gonna cry all night and I'll flip the bird at the guys. I don't need nobody. This is my pity party. I'll do just what I want, yeah. I'll dance on top of the bar. I won't come down on it. I'll just do what I want. This is my pity party, pity party.
Oh, bless him, sorry about that. The battery died, and I don't know at what point it died. I don't know what you saw, but I got it off. The mechanic came out and was like, oh, you've done that, oh, you've done this. Poor lad sat there like, is it bad? Anyway, he was happy with his recovery. I charged him exactly a quarter of what the police contract recovery firm had quoted him. So just goes back to that video. Have you seen that video? If you haven't, I'll put a link up to it at the end. But yeah, you don't have to use the recovery firm that the police want you to use. As long as you're not causing an obstruction, you're not in the way, you're not a danger to anybody, you are more than entitled to say, no, I will sort recovery myself. Thank you very much, officer. All sorted. Right guys, I'm going to end it. It's been a very quick one because I only had one battery. Magpie, 2 magpies. Yeah, it's going to be a good day. Woohoo! Ah, 2 magpies make me happy. I saw 2 magpies. Right, I'm going to go get Malcolm and we're going to the pub. Saturday, it's a beautiful day. Let's cling on to the last bit of summer. Guys, you've been beautiful. It's been amazing having you in my car. If you want to watch that video about not using the police recovery service, click on this link here, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, click on that link there. Thanks guys, much love, see you on the next one.
Don't look